Yes, me and a friend.
Stop it, good. So you mean me and a friend?
I want me to know. What kind of people business you can tell me now?
I can't call you. I not call you for telling nobody business. Your business. Me I call you for tell you about.
My business?
Yes. Your business about your nice clean man where you talk about.
Oh, Wappy?
Yes, Wappy. You make it sound like more than one man you have.
You go on.
And I have something for show you on my phone.
Where you have to show
and
me?
I'm joking thing. Wappy. You're nice clean man. Look at him. Yeah, see him there?
I know Wappy this. See, you get yourself too much trouble. That look like Wappy to you?
You think I me make up the story? Eh?
Where you get this from?
I get this off a reality JA off a YouTube girlfriend. And nobody no need to make up no story. Look good.
Girl, look how that dark. I know Wappy that.
My girl, you eat that, you don't know your man. You don't know the braid here and everything. All my girl, you don't know your man?
I know Wappy that.
You eat that?
See, you two mix up.
Oh, my two mix up. And I me make up this, I'm not stop tell you that. You feel like some I live off of people's business by going around and take I do mix up for people?
Stacey, so you stay a long time.
My girl,
I know Wappy that. Me I can't go about my business.
You're my friend and you deal with me like this.
Me and a friend, Stacey, go ahead.
Don't worry yourself, man. You not come link me nor nothing no more. You link Wappy. So Wappy have your head away, I'm going to fix your business for you.
Welcome to another reality JA, my people. You see the video we're going viral over there, yeah? Me have a better one than that. Guess who they come over the house, they come by? No, the MP. Right, you know, me hide the camera. Stay tuned, people. Alright. We hide the camera. Right. The one behind the bomb.
Video man! Yo!
Oh, are you?
I want me to tell nobody come and yo me. I want me to tell you, man. You are going to take down that, you know.
Take down what?
I mean, you are going to take down that. You think me not see? Yo! My youth.
Listen up, man.
Yo,
listen what me I say.
Me not listen to nothing.
Welcome to reality JA, where we expose people. You can.
So you really want to expose me? You big me, you want to expose everyone.
No,
you know my friend, they come expose you, you know, youth. You have to know what you do. You have to take down that, brother. You have to take down that serious. Poor woman love social media. Poor she see all something like that.
All right, hear me now. Unlike I know your family have money, a 300,000 me disappearing.
Me forget $300,000? Me rather take it and buy shot with it, my youth. I want me to you.
Hey,
take down that, you know.
No,
you know what, I can't rap back them boy, you know. Cause you take this thing, you can't do that. It delete?
Yeah, man.
Let me see your phone, cause I don't play games, you know.
Come on, fight.
Alright then. Delete that, my youth.
Can't believe me.
Me just hope all my woman not see all this and she love social media and them something there. You see you, know what you do, youth, and know what you do, how you do it.
What happened to you, Alia? Tell me. You just a cry, so. What is the problem? What is this? Where you get this from, Alia?
Off of social media, me
My
so.
God, this is Wappy. Me one son on my birth. I never know say my buy kitty.
This not gonna work, you know, this not gonna work. I left him.
Don't left him, man. Me go talk to him.
Me so, me I go leave, you know. Me I go leave, me I go home.
No, Alia, don't leave. Me I go call him and make him come. And we talk about this and trash it out. Cause me all know me can't believe. You sure say I him?
Yes, I him. You know, so see him in the video. You know, see the video.
Boy, me not sure. Me go call him. Me go call him right now. Wappy.
Yeah.
Come down to the house. Me have something to talk to you about.
Eh? Me I forward on you now.
Come right now. Alright, me I wait.
I want me to wire, man. All them soap me up. Yo, brother. Yeah. No, man, I left, man. And my mother called me, say me have a deal with something. You understand? Yeah, man. Yo, who left the gate open, man? Them always do that something. Mommy.
Yes, Wappy, come in, man.
Yeah,
Just come in. Come in and sit down, man.
Yeah, do ya?
Don't touch me.
I want me do. I want go on. Where you cry? I want me.
So all along, you do things and you don't know what you do now?
And always I
Look
blame
on the
about
video.
something.
Watch this. Try watch the video because
Which
we can't
video?
believe
Hold
say
on.
you.
I would this phone, so I don't need it. I would have been there. I owe him.
So I know you.
I don't need this.
Look
So you
good,
think I
man.
need this? You can't think I made this.
Look
You have to
good,
do
look
better.
good.
BS, you really think I made this?
Are you that?
Me can't, me. I look at this, watch out. I know me alone have on black pants, you know. Look on this, mommy, for real. I know me alone have on black pants. I know me alone with cane up ear and all of them something there. And jewelry. Look how much man out there. This is not me as me I tell you, mommy. So why me I go buy something and I can get it for free from you?
You can't satisfy.
Oh!
You.
You satisfy me all the time, babes. You all the time. You have everything. Just cool now. You still not believe. Mommy, look on the thing now. I know me that dark. Watch it.
Boy, Alia, him say I know him, you know. He look like him in a video, but people look alike. And at night. So we can't be for sure. But him say I know him. I not take up for my son, but me know him and me growing.
Consider, you know, one day we can buy one land like this here, put a house for you know what I mean? It'll be a nice land to purchase, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Could build a nice little house and build a step go straight down into the water, you know what I mean? Because we don't see love water, you know.
Yeah, that would be really interesting.
I have some talk to the people who own the property, so we're going to.
The fried plank you do in the morning, eh?
Yeah, egg.
Well, you can't manage the oil in the morning, yeah. So, you know, come with porridge.
Yeah, we have oats and banana. You want that?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, I will go that for you then.
So you good though?
No, alright, you?
Well, I get up so early this morning after so much working last night.
My
Alright.
healthy one.
Alright, so on the way.
Alright.
See your breakfast here, babe.
Thanks, baby.
Come off your phone and eat now.
I'm school now, man. Come here. Oh, clean up, you know. Like, yeah? What this, man? Babes.
Take time.
Me love your food. One thing, boy, you can cook.
Babes, just wait for her and do that someday.
And school now, man. I do it, man. The whole of them are envy you. I tell you, I have 2 way about that, baby.
Anyways, me I go be there to go up on my sister there.
Get no sugar, no. I say you want. Big. You don't love me, you know. Love you more. Love you more. But take care, though.
Alright.
I'll go on the road later.
I'm going to work and set up some little thing in the office and then once at the time off look a bit then I will just meet up on the beach and put on a sexy bath suit or something.
Okay.
And we'll just chill out and have a look at the
Alright, no problem.
sound good.
Yeah, that sounds good.
But by the way, how much kids you want though?
One girl and a boy.
That's two girls, that's two final one?
Yeah. You know the boys are for mommy and the daughter are for daddy, right?
You more people more than that. But we work out that for the time, right? You know what I mean?
Oh. Yeah, talk about kids and it seems like you don't take the relationship serious because you don't see how leave no clothes here or nothing like that.
There's one guy that coming on invading people's space still doing me and there and other things. I guess we have some things to work on, you know what I mean? So we work on my part, you work on your part. That sound good?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, I'll get ready. We'll go. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, now that we take out, we do supermarket already, so we don't have to think about grocery. Want to go back to the, what do you want to do?
I was thinking about going to the beach, what you think? Too late?
It's not too late. We can see what we can see what them do on the beach. Or see anywhere else. We can just freestyle. If we stop at one bar, if we want to have a drink, and then you can go and go do the wild thing.
Morning, babes. How was the night?
Why you work me out though?
So you did enjoy yourself last night?
Yeah man.
But anyway, I'm gonna look about breakfast, so what you want? Want breakfast?
Yeah, give me some breakfast. Just gonna get up.
Alright.
Come on, look about some breakfast.
Alright.
Mark! Yeah, man, me I hear you good. Me tell you say I get the money, dog. What you worry about, brother? I have you, man. I have you. Me nah go round you. You make it back a nice boy. Yeah, man, me I pay you. Tomorrow, Mark, easy no, man. Mark, easy no, man. Me tell you say me have your money, brother. Just easy now. Yeah, man, me I come round there now. Alright.
Yo, fully done. You know, so I don't know boy Wappy no give me money, I don't know.
Oh yeah, say dog. You know, so we have got sell it debt, brother. You see me, I know a link bad man, I can go so and call right now. She name Sin, brother. But I have to go make the link the dog. I'm call her now.
Do what you do, man.
I'm tell her about it. I forget page, brother. Tell me, I tell her. Play it about this here, brother. Don't tell you from morning now. Yo, since I fully done. What energy?
Yeah, man, where you deal with?
Yeah, man, here I go on. You know, say I want to look at business properties and me for you.
So when you can sort out that?
Right now, you know, I'm up at Whitehall, up at a big upstairs house, so you give me a link, you hear?
Alright, don't say party.
Alright, done.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I can't wait till next week.
You're mad dog, wait power. We are defend the money dog. Today. You see me for a long time, I tell you can't trust the body dog. You know, hear me too now. I see it pray. I forget the food today. Where you pan Sin?
There, man.
Think up, mama.
Yeah, man, where you deal with?
You know, says I one little business more you start out. You see it pray. I'm a virgin mark this month, so him will give a door and I make you no more go.
Alright.
So let's chat to him.
Yeah, man.
Sharp it up in the mama.
Yeah, man, I feel no more. You want to know one boy they call him Wappy. Right now, you have me 100,000 for me. So you see, up and down with him, back and forth. I want to know them. I'll sell you that. And anything you can get and give me, I'll take your percentage. Willing for record.
You know anything or anything, and I'm ready for anything. Just give me full details, right? I'm ready for it.
Mom, I send details to your phone. I send him picture and everything. Because I see boy people them I want construction company. So just do what you have to do. I'm going to get my own.
Hello?
Yeah, Phillip there.
He's not here now.
You know there?
No?
Them tell me say man, them tell me for meeting here, sir. Which part am I tell me for meeting? You have to call him, you know. Because him say me for meet him at the house, but I don't know if it's my house or I don't know if it's your house.
Him said me for calling?
Yeah. Hey, then she come like a young woman shop at the same store.
Seriously?
Yeah, we have the same set.
So how you reach on the bed?
Yeah, you have to know say, yeah, my brother. A whole heap of do pan the bed, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, you know what? You are going like saying me first this year.
Yeah, but that not saying you my like, hey brother, my like.
That hurt me, yes, sir. Because I me see you and show me and say, yo, look on the angel then. And see it then I tell me about brother. See, I tell me say, nothing, you know like nothing about me?
Nothing at all.
Why? See, I tell me say, Phillip, nerd man Phillip, and in your like?
Yeah, cause I'm more humble, you're too loud and arrogant. I can't work with you.
Me arrogant?
Yeah.
Me not arrogant. Me just have it for sure and me flashy. You understand what I say?
It's some good changes in my brother. Wappy since your name start
deal, you know what I mean? I'm thinking that I want good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some things you need to tighten up, man.
Like what?
Knowing my brother, you know, there's a man who move fast. So we follow him up.
Oh. Alright.
I move fast with him to that means say you catch up with him. I'm saying never said speed. So before you know it, you can actually have my one place party and him come married and settle down and give him 2 picnic, go and give him 1 picnic a long time. You have something you know, keep in mind, focus.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I know say in Jamaica the culture is not for a woman proposed to a man. But what if it's the only way? Because maybe the man not going to think about that so much. But if you propose to him, maybe that push in that direction. If we really love each other, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
As a woman, you can make the first step.
No, if that's the case, it not gonna happen.
Sister-in-law, you know, so the family is a family of business, right?
Yeah.
Where you study at school?
English, me did do, you know.
When you say the English, what do you mean by that?
English language. Me did one teacher and teach language at school.
Alright. My advice here is go back at some class and go to principle of business.
You know what? A joke me I make with you, man. Test me and test a man for my brother. And when him could have there right now, I try to call him right now. And things. So him never tell you where I go?
No, he never tell me.
Hello? Brother? Brother? You don't hear me? Yeah, where you there? I'm over your house and you over my house. A joke this. Yeah man, your beautiful wife there, man. Yeah. And I said nothing, just stay away there. I come over there, come link you. Alright, then I leave right now, yeah? Alright, okay. Alright. So, I go over my house, isn't it?
Alright,
try
cool.
to like, I see you, you know what I mean? I heal me, I heal you.
No, you didn't have to touch me. Why you want to touch me?
See you, he's a good girl for my brother.
Better know that.
Yeah, he's a good girl for my brother. Test me and test you, you know, some girl not stay there, you stay, you know.
You can't test
But
me.
I still have love for you, though, yeah?
Alright.
Alright then. Hey, Lily. Remember, say, I just see me and see where you're there, let me know. Because me and my brother I get married and everything, alright. You understand? So I'm not going to know nothing.
Whatever.
I'm going to link you, yeah. I say nothing to go. Come lock the door now. Because I don't want nobody come in the house today. You see me? Yeah, you ready?
Out of order. Excuse.
You sound like your boyfriend comes. Wappy!
Phillip!
Yeah, man, what's up with that, man?
Oh, what your babes there too?
Yeah, man, yeah,
Oh.
man. I know they would have reason.
What do I feel about that? Let's see my brother at time.
Alright, you're going inside.
Yeah, man. Good one.
What you on him out?
Eh?
What you on her out?
Nah, but man.
So she a pull so like not to
Nah, man, me don't know. Me don't know. Me and her, I saw she go on, man. Remember, say she kinda that me left both her, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, brother. Yo. What do you have the club, man?
Huh?
What do you have at the club?
You like a club buddy?
I tell you.
But you don't know. We better make sure I go on so. You know if you like the club.
Yo, the club. Yo, turn up last night, you know. Be a girl out there. Phillop. If you come out there one night time, man. Be a girl out there, like.
Let me tell you something. Mommy and daddy live a decent life for much years from a band until now. And now me are 30 years there now. Them there together. And remember Mastro,
Yeah.
where they are grown and they enough smarty. There's enough bury HIV and them some out the daddy so.
Man, Phillip, you're gonna get brother eat that, man. When we are strapping up. Yo, cut off of that, man. Where you that at? Where you call for?
Yo, tonight, me propose to her.
Tonight?
Yeah man, tonight.
Phillip, they can't do that, brother. In a night here,
Yeah man, tonight.
take out the girl somewhere nice, man. You see if I mean have her nice place me that bring her somewhere special. and propose to her. Yeah, them type of man there.
You know, say, man,
Bring her home.
my plan was nice to go something for you. Because go over tonight and with Bama and you know, go so romantic.
Exactly. Yeah, man, and that if you do, man, and the right move that.
But just show the ring for she show you, say, how you look. If you look expensive, you go up on her finger. You know what I mean? Come for a good girl from long time.
Whole heap of money you pay for this do, you know?
Yeah, man, whole heap of money, man.
It's soft out, brother.
No, man, it's soft.
What this?
I right thing to do,
I
man.
pay your money you pay for that, you know?
Yeah, man. Long more and Lily should be married to me. I'm not there for a good while now still, but me think that time.
Say you sure about Lily?
Yeah, man.
Positive.
Lily from we look a same girl, you know what I mean? The same girl, man.
But you have to remember, say, I mean, first you see her, I mean, say, I sure you.
Yeah, but you cut me for your sister, that means, say.
No, me never mean, no, brother.
So me deserve her then, man.
Never mean.
Me think that I only gonna get a cut for, so I think me deserve her. When I did the proposal, you can't forward, man.
No, man, you and your wife go deal with that, man.
Simple thing, you're brother, you know.
No,
Good
man.
idea, man.
No, go forward, man. You and your wife just go have a good time, man. And make sure you do something special. You see me, I say, you know, say, I told them I work and me a preach, brother. Me ain't never do nothing, like, together, like, from this long time. And you know what? You notice? From Daddy gone to America, Canada, it come like, everything just drop. Remember me used to bring me a bobby key and we used to catch a whole heap of fish? I feel like, you know, tomorrow, because we can't waste time, you know. Tomorrow, me and I go out there and we're going to catch some fish tomorrow. That bobby key.
Alright, so we can take our early day off.
Yes, man. Tell them just take our early
Catch
day
some
off,
fish
man.
or something.
Yeah, man, we just go out there and have fun like brothers, like what we used to do. You know them way there?
Good reason, brother. That's a word, man.
Anytime.
So you go on now. We go over here now. Lily want to go search everything. Yo, what I'm fine.
Yes.
Is it tomorrow? After fishing, we will tell you when we want it. I'll drop off your location and pick up it. We go on now. When you lock off me.
Yeah.
Lock the
You
sure? I don't want place in your house. No,
yeah,
because
man,
over the house there,
yeah.
Lily I'm going to play everywhere. That's what she want.
Tell she come in when she give me.
Yeah, man, just either one place, man.
Alright.
And then we go tell her when we engage to her. If you not want to see engagement, we can drop off your one place. Like me, I go somewhere and she not see me nothing. So she not expecting none at all.
That's why Daddy make you run the thing.
Yo, brother,
Yeah.
how yourself, you know?
Yeah, man. Tomorrow morning, you know, remember,
Yeah, man.
you know.
What do that, man?
Yeah, man. Don't stress yourself.
No worry
Just
yourself,
take
man.
a day off and make a go out there. You understand?
Alright.
Alright, my brother.
Ah.
Big up yourself.
Morning.
Make my wife let you out, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Them should lock him up and dash her the key, and that them should do. I mean, especially she's kind of nervous because she didn't want car or something like. Hey, you see Rasta? Rasta, go get the girl in the babes. Yeah, man, she like him.
Get the girl.
She like him. Cause look how she talk to him.
Babes, I'm tired of that chips here. You can't order one piece though.
And if it's not nice, it's not harder one still. Oh, I remember, man, I called boy. Call her ugly boy, yeah. Go! Yo, Chopper, hear me I say now? Just got little Caesars and pick up two of them $1,000 pizza there. And pepperoni upon it. Alright, no, I know I level 50 for that one there. Get it, man, no matter. Two of them. Alright, my boss. Now a little bit.
Babes, call him and see how far I'm reach with the pizza.
Hello.
Call your friend and see how far.
Oh, the pizza. Oh, that boy there. Go long, man. I'm that man. Uncle boy, anyone long we are wait for the pizza. Stop beat up my doors, you know. Me a come, yo. Uncle, yo, want that man, man. Look how long we are calling for pizza them. Yo, you got it. What Easy. You
Shut up. No talking from you. Boy, you know the emoji there? Put it on your mouth. Let me deal with him. Hey boy, kneel down. Hold up your hand in here, boy. You know who you deal with?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to know. Listen to me now. You see the money where you owe, Mark? You know owe Mark no more, and me owe. Shut up, boy. No talking from you. Listen to you, General. I want to you. The money where you owe Mark, me say you no win no more. You're deaf, and me owe that. Me already pay Mark. So you need to give me my money. It me comfort. Hey boy, where you do? Don't move. It's either you give me highlight, and if you don't have the highlight, me need half fight tonight. Is it?
The girl, the pretty girl.
No, please, man, make you leave her out.
Shut up,
baby.
Listen to me now. Are you a woman that?
Yeah.
You love her?
Yeah.
Pass up my money right now.
You get it right now, Jim.
Alright, shut up, your mouth. You hear me? You want her to spend the weekend?
No. But just want to make a call, please.
Who you call?
Me come here. They have to get to the money right now.
Who you call?
Me call my mother right now.
You sure say your mother?
My mother.
Hey boy, if you call no police in this, me bust your head.
You can't look when me a call. Please, my baby. Please.
Give me an iPhone.
Please, my baby.
Your mother number the phone.
This phone, yes.
Dial the number, make me see that.
Watch you see there? See there? Mom.
Call her.
Daddy, we can talk to mommy, please.
Oh, your mother? Alright. So you want to talk to you? I know what problem in the kitchen setting there.
Hello?
Mommy, me in a little situation right now. Daddy no around you.
Yes, man.
Alright. When I come, I tell you what go on. Me talk to you. Me tell you what go on.
Alright, just come, man. Me there, yeah.
Alright, me I come over there now.
Alright, come, man.
So, how am team now?
I know nothing, man. I'm Alia have one little problem and I come talk to me about it.
Open now abuse people and girl people now. I don't want to see him, you know.
You don't believe so, man. Calm down.
Don't want to run that boy, you know.
See. Alright, you want to know me? I go over my mother and I go pick up 50G right now.
You talk too long. Trust the boy, you know.
A real thing me I tell you, man. A real thing me nah lie. Who me a lie for? Alright.
Listen to me now. You don't have to trust him. See him girl over there.
No, hurt her.
Nice girl you have to deal with tonight. Hey boy. Run!
Alright.
Don't make me wait for you. Alright. Hey boy. You say now get back your girl, I want you. Yo, come on the bed. Boy, they think a styling thing, you know, in the pan. That's serious thing we are doing with princess. Alright.
Yo. You see if your man not come back, and me go be a man.
Mommy.
Yes, Wappy.
Where daddy?
No worry about daddy, man. Daddy gone on a room.
Oh, okay. You see, I know I'm just crashing a man out there, sir.
Really?
Yeah, the man about drive me everything and him. Right now, I'm going to X out there. I'm left Aliyah out there right now with him, so I don't know what can go on. You understand nothing more money knows. Yo, you get this something?
Yes, man.
Alright, give me now. Before daddy come on, you know, and you don't know, trust me already, mommy. Am I asleep?
No, I think I'm asleep yet.
And even me, come like a junk or something.
I saw them drive bad, man. Alright, hurry up and go on.
I will like this, mommy.
Yes.
Alright, come in, yeah?
Alright, son, take care. I hurry up and go back to Aliyah. Love you too. Yes, go on.
See it here, you know. I'm everything look over half right here, so. See money here, you know. Yeah, see it here. Everything, you know, and little more too.
I half fight this?
Yeah, at the half fight.
Make sure, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Babes, you good?
Yo, don't talk. You talk too much, you know.
Alright.
Alright. Listen to me now. You need to know when me I get the next half.
Wednesday morning early.
This Wednesday or the next Wednesday? Cause me need to know where the planning on my
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday?
Yes.
Yo, mind what you do with me, you know. Me no play with people, you know.
No.
Go over this one. I want you.
Alright.
Stay right this one, shut your mouth. Go over this one, man.
Yeah.
Yo, shut up.
Alright.
Sin.
How do you mean?
If him now a thing by Wednesday, you know. Now take him girl.
No, man. Just slow that. Me not think saying now carry come. Me have to get my money, my you. Just come on. Left the place right now. Yo, left the place and come on, man. Only for girl there road.
Hey boy, you're a fool, you know.
Hey boy. Kneel down.
Wednesday.
Yo, if you ever call no police.
Wednesday, no, man, I call the police.
Or tell nobody say we're coming. Yes,
call
sir.
the police.
People dead.
Alright.
That me I tell you.
Yo, lock your yard.
Come on.
Alright.
Lock your yard.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey boy, shut up. Think that keep no guard this food. Go on here.
Alright then. Then. Waiting now.
Wappy, where you get yourself in now?
School
Who
of
them people there?
Yeah, they're on my nerves right now. Just give me a minute, man. I fix things right now. Just easy. Fix things right now. Alright? Yo, Ma! I say you do things, brother. Eh? You make strange people that come all in my house and disrespect me and I take out my wife, you what? I saw when I do things. Alright, everything good. Everything good, Ma. Everything nice, man. You fix things. Babes, alright?
Wappy, what did you get yourself in now? Where you really get
School,
yourself?
man. I have some business me I deal with, man. And them people them me I deal with neither. Yo, thing are good, man.
It's like how me up here risk my life like that at time now.
Oh God, this again. That is true.
What that
Last night. Last time I never want to talk about that, you know. Come like just everything just fly back in my head right now. Yeah, I tell you. Fix that too, you know.
What time now?
Thinking, ma. No what time now.
My sister Julian.
Julian get married?
All of my sister them.
Somebody married Julian? But
Me
you
up
don't
here
know
risk
where
my
we are
life
though.
like that at time now.
Yeah man, we are gonna marry man. May I make sure I put one big fat ring on your hand and make your sister them jealous. Our wedding now gonna be now man. May I tell you the truth, you understand? We just have to just build with self. We have some contractor with my brother and thing to deal with. So we're gonna just get in that and then after that, wedding time. Be wedding weddings. You understand?
Make sure.
Yeah. Our wedding are gonna be the biggest wedding, may I tell you. The whole of your sister are jealous of we. Put
sure.
a good rock on your finger. You understand? VVS diamond, may I tell you about pure diamond. You understand, babes? And please, don't put that something upon your mind with them, yeah? Them are some hooligan and some low life people them coming at the house right now yesterday.
Make sure I say that no I'm again.
Never again, yeah, babes? I have you. I'm
So
love
you
you
say?
from keep next to me, you understand? We are get ready right now, yeah? Me and my brother have to go in a town, deal with some business, and come back here, baby. You're alone, my love, you know. You're alone, mama.
So you say?
Not do me that, man. Not do me that. You're something nice, man. Love you, babes. May I get ready, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. 5 foot, 5 inch. And the arch start 4 foot 11 inch. And the center arch. Center arch of 5 foot 10 inch. Alright, so I'll do the next side now. I mean, I'll write them down, but you do it, right? Alright.
Oi, are you we come to you now?
What you come to me about?
Your son Wappy, who mark some money. We are debt collector. A debt we collect. And if Wappy no pay the money, you have to pay it because you are in daddy.
How much money Wappy owe?
Your son owe mark 100 grand.
What do you did? Give me until tomorrow. What do you did? And if you confirm Wappy and see what really are going on, the boy will be dead to me, you know. You understand?
Confirm.
How you mean?
Yo, give me your car key.
Give which car
What you
key?
feel?
I mean give what?
Give me your car key.
No, I can't give my car key.
Alright, don't say a word. Shoot him.
See how go on with the reality J, you know.
Yeah, man, a big thing.
But you see that my brother wicked pan the door, me see him, boy,
You know what, I never know saying I get catch tonight. You know what, I set me I sit up my camera. You know me, a reality J. Anywhere mix up them, you go find it. But me never know think your brother go up on the bridge. Because remember I say when the family have money, you know.
Just like how prison never make for dog, the bridge never make for one stop people, it make for anybody want to go there. So but I feel right still in doing one the same way, you know what I mean? But differently from that, I want to get catch. You link me about a sponsor. Me have a new program I go on. If you advertise the new offer, we have a concrete place and now we go dump concrete on some different places. We do some premixes on different people. So we have a special I go on. You say if you want poor man, you can get a special for your roof. You know what I mean? So you could commercialize and tell people about it. We give a sponsor for your channel because I know say your channel I always want and look money still to help it up. You know what I mean?
Actually, we are talking because you see this a channel a worldwide thing. Everybody love this a channel here. Right, you know. Our Prime Minister will lost the money over there, you know. I feel him yard and he want to go next, you know. Go set up because I know say money still there. You know, go nowhere.
Promise the last money?
Yeah, when I go for the last 100 and how much $1,000,000.
Yo, easy man. I'm only thinking about we can start it out my out. When I go answer. Easy man, I just want to make sure that's how you going now. So how much money you say if you get now?
You look like you're deaf. 100 grand.
Alright. I'll go ahead carry now. And I got me go for now.
Yo, don't move. Sin, deal with it.
Yeah, go in the car and black pouch that I front seat. Can come.
Open a style me no youth. Oh. Yo, how much in this?
300,000. Just take what you take. The top part.
The rest of your life.
Hey boy, you're lucky, you know.
Remember say me and my son, you know.
Stop it talking before something reach you.
So we'll look into it then.
Yeah, man, look into it, man.
Yeah, what go on, daddy?
You know something up on the site. And two people come juke me down a while ago for your brother. So your brother hold the money.
Hello, yeah, tell.
And then gone with me 300,000. Find him for me.
Yeah, I'm going to check some my people who know something out with. And then later we'll link up. So yeah man, so just link me, let me know what I'm going. You know what I mean?
Remember say me a link, you know, because this a channel that me I tell you good for your business. Anybody in the world right now, Reality J is the #1 channel coming up stronger.
Alright, no sorry. So anyway, we're run up and down. No sorry. A long time I know you.
I'm sorry if your brother go get
nah,
caught
man,
up.
it's good man, it's good. Because content. As long as the truth and a reality, give it to the people them. I don't know anybody in though. You might buy something everybody want.
Yeah, man, I go down to Marvel, yeah, I go set up because me say my getting husband born down there. Alright, look more. Reality J in our building.
Babes, what make you look so?
Can you believe say make gunman come by side?
Gunman?
Man come outside can try gun for me so Wappy hold them money again.
Jesus have mercy.
When can I just be like him brother? He must fall like same trap like him.
You know, so me talk to him one day, him just a bring down shame for the whole family.
Right, we think him have too much free time.
What we all do about the babes?
I send call it two of them. So what we'll do, we are gonna bring them in at the business, let them take over the business for a while. What them say we are go to America, go do one club, building for one of our original client for 1 year. So I'm two of them run the business. Hopefully we have less free time and we do more business. Because when him into something still I put him all into it. But he feel loud little careless living, man.
Well, babes, we really need a vacation for true, you know. So I think we should really take one because we really work hard and we deserve it.
Yo, bartender. We do VX flash. Yo, give me a cup there. So I mean, I like ramp with them girls up there in my youth. The bartender gone with my at my youth. Me just go there for just say PR and come back and then she just gone with the time.
Alright, different from that though. What me I say though? Just today, we're up on the side and out of nowhere, some gunman appear, you know what I mean? Say, don't stick up our daddy.
Hold on, stop this. Some man rob daddy, that's what you're trying to say?
Yeah,
Gunman?
No, rob him, man.
Oh.
Listen to me, man. The gunman, them stick him up so them get order, say you owe them money. So if you don't pay the money, then go deal them rough.
Me?
But what I do still, because I did the same time now, I did have some money for me for listen now, we did have some money for me for a contract. Just if I have money for me, and I know say you good have problem with them, because I know you them. Them you them say one thing and one thing. So I just pay them off and then go on. So
you shouldn't pay them no money.
But you say, don't argument. Because daddy when I feel a certain way. So what daddy say now, daddy say one will meet with it right now.
Right now?
Yes, and we are going now.
Right now?
Right now, down here, go down there.
No man, me go back up at the place because me have to get my time from the girl, you know. Me not play with her anymore, you know.
Daddy, no you have to wait for me.
Right now?
Right now, down that way. My mommy. They have our meeting.
Jesus Christ. Why me I tell you certain things just love reach me? Yo, before we go up there, please, make we go back out of the go-go place and get my time from the girl there, please.
Come on, go do it.
We need to do that, you know.
Right now. Go on, daddy.
Hey, what's up, man?
Go on.
Go on, Wappy.
Yeah, man. Daddy, you good?
Go on, Phillop.
Yo, the last time them call me, you know what, me do?
Wedding.
Wait now, we're not married again.
What about
So you know you have me today?
No, I mean, you were going today, daddy.
Alright, that's good, man. We have some...
No, man, that's not good just so, daddy.
No, man, we have some important things to talk about, man.
Alright.
So you good?
Yeah, man, we good on there. I want to have set speed.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. So you hear me now. We have an opportunity for build one club America. So we want to leave next week.
Oh, that's good. That
So-
sounds good.
So we are going to?
No. We want to stay and finish up the contract that we have. and build the company till we come back. So 2 hours run the company.
Alright, what about the contract we are bid pan? We go, if we win a bid that we are running off it.
Remember, so we do most of the work already, and I respect the company, and you they beside me right through. You understand me? And the workman them respect you because you always keep a party vibes. You are responsible to make sure that the workman them get the work done.
Yeah, man.
You understand me?
Can't do that.
Alright, your brother now are responsible for the financial part and the operating part of the business. Deal with the client them directly, deal with the hardware and the suppliers them directly.
So make me deal with that part there and him deal with the people.
No man, you are the people person where the workman them respect you because you always bring on a party vibe, you always have weed, you always have the girl and come check you. So you and the man them a fair role that
Daddy,
him are the one who responsible for deal with the bank, the hardwares and the client them.
So me an idiot. Me can't deal with nothing. Me just can't just talk to people so and stuff. And you have big things with me. Me have potential. Me can do other things.
I know you can do other things, but you work alongside the brother, so your brother will show you. And him will work with me for 5 years in the business like that.
We can't do things, Daddy. I want me to do just like we can do a paperwork too.
Listen, my man. Your brother been working beside me for more than 5 years in the business in that capacity. You understand me? You just all about the place. You understand me? You not ready for that yet. You need to work with your brother in the business. Let him show you the ropes. Yeah, listen to me.
Daddy,
what?
No offense.
What do you mean no offense?
Just forget me.
Let me forget you. The two of them have to work together.
You don't want nothing. You don't want nothing.
Come here, boy.
Listen. Big man.
Hey.
Right now, don't say there's something wrong with me.
Calm down.
Talk sense in that boy.
Talk to him, babes. Calm
I
down.
don't know why it happen today now.
Mind the pressure, but
Talk to me.
Give me a no, brother. No, me don't know vibes like that, man. You know, so me I run the street for a long time. See, we go on now. We have some land on one place on so. As soon as daddy say ship out and go on a foreign or anything now, all we have to do, you know, we just build off some place around there and me go and run off differently from the different parts of different business that you can go and run that and to make a fight. Give me a thing if you want to give me a thing, just go and run it. You know what I mean?
True, the man always I feel like say me are the Duns Phillip. And that me and talk about this. He never give me nothing like we're challenging in a way him a come. You understand?
That boy need to be more responsible. You understand? He's just like him, pa.
how when you go tell them?
Can't tell him now. Can't tell him now. But we have to get in the business. Can write the business out for them. Child and parents' money we use build the business. And we promise them to look out for them and they can look out for themselves. But they have to work together. They not nobody else, you know.
The same salon me tell about. I build the room them there. You can't jump all 2 pools there, said we. 2 big pools in the yard.
Yeah, girls.
Yeah.
I can't be that,
Yo, I see the daddy I tell about, you know. Well, for girls in daddy.
I understand that, man, but girls have night, brother.
Yeah,
you know that.
Yeah, but get like 2 girls yourself then. And just calm down.
Alright.
Because too much girl, we mash up business.
Okay. Then take money.
Then take money.
Okay.
So if you have 2 girls now, you just put them on a schedule and you know what you deal with them.
No, man, I have that cover, man. Cause I'm responsible, you know. You know?
Yeah.
As I talk about that, I feel like we, you know, me and daddy have them little talk in there.
But you must know, family and family have them differences. But what you do next is the big thing. So you be the bigger one. I'm going to talk to daddy and tell her, say, yo, calm down. You're going to go with that for a program.
No, daddy.
After daddy gone over, you know. Are we going anything, you know? You understand me? So daddy now go there.
Yeah.
I always say daddy go after.
That's true.
So what we have to do is go and go make daddy feel good and say, Daddy, now worry yourself and I want you to work that way there. Post the place and hear about it. Go on down for a place. I want to know say a fair place and
me I run it and me have it under control, bookwork, everything. I get because.
And you don't want mommy feel no way, because mommy in there feel a way with you when you're daddy in a vibes. I mean, go talk to them man and make them feel good because they're all people in the mind. You know you go. Yeah. Come in, man.
Well, I don't feel up. We are going together.
That is.
Daddy, sorry for what I say. Just no one thing. Mama, I'm sorry for that one.
Alright, son.
Phillip, you know, run it by me a thing. Run it by me again. And really me just sorry for me say. You understand? What you just said it right. It makes sense. So
That me I try to explain to you, The two on our brother, and if we work together, there's nothing we can conquer. You understand?
yes, sir. Yes.
So you need to work with your brother, talk to your brother need to talk to you, you need to understand each other. Because two on them are all gonna have we gonna foreign definitely soon. You understand? So alright son.
Alright, daddy. Thanks again, yeah?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Alright, son, we're glad you made that decision then.
You know I love you.
Alright, love it.
Alright then. You have to touch the road doing it, daddy.
Yeah man.
Alright, so tomorrow I'm gonna say to my office to again.
Yeah, we
man,
can
so
we have
early
some more things to
Alright,
do.
Phillop.
Alright, so we go carry on. We have some female for you meet.
Well, we can't wait, you know?
Yeah, man.
We can't wait, me love that.
Alright.
How you want to behave like Wappy?
No, babes, you know, says a secret, me not tell you yet.
Happy anniversary
Thank
for
you.
3 months.
Thank you. So you're not drinking anything?
I have too much to drink today at work, but I can't because I can't though.
Okay.
Come on, babe.
Ciao.
Hi Lily, how are you
Hi,
doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, man. It's so
Okay.
nice to see you. You know, I'm leaving for vacation tomorrow. Yes, me and Daddy going on vacation. So I have a flash drive here that I would want you to give Phillop. But I will call you and tell you when to give him. You know, because I don't want him to watch it now. Right? So
Okay.
I'm going to give it to you and I'll call you and tell you when to give it to him, right?
Okay, no problem.
Alright, then take
Okay, I'm gonna miss you though.
Alright.
Yeah. And if Phillop and I don't get married, I would like you to come down for the wedding as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. We will be there.
Okay.
Alright? Take
Bye.
care now. Yes, Alia.
Good night.
Good night. Good to see you, man. Come have a seat.
You alright?
Yes, man. You know, so tomorrow I'm leaving for vacation. Me and Daddy going away.
Really?
Yes, man. We did all this. We raised up the boys. We build the company, and they are big now, so we can leave it in their hands.
Yeah.
So we're taking a little vacation, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So I have a flash drive that I wanted you to give to Wappy for me.
Alright.
Right, but don't give him yet. When I go there and it's the right time, I'll call you and tell you to give him, right?
Alright.
Take care, man.
Yeah,
And
no, it's
remember, say no one, some grandchildren. You know.
Yeah.
Alright, take care.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Yo, so what are you fishing things up there?
Brother, just relax now, man. I'm here, man. Everything over there, man. Fishing net, fishing line, rod, everything over there. Just relax, man. I'm here going on.
Yeah, man. I'm married with Lily, you know. And you gonna be best, man.
You never know if we really are going to make it there, you know.
You have to come, man. I joke here, man. You have to forward.
Alright, I try my best still.
Remember saying, you know, when you are married to feel one, you know, you have to there, you know. And no joke business, you know.
Every day, mommy, I tell me about married and pick me and them times that change now, you know. You know, brother? Yeah. Why, you know that. Yeah, man.
You hear from them, because them gone, you know. You know from mommy and daddy.
Well, Wednesday, just the other day I go to talk to them, man. Them good, man. So you don't get to talk to them?
Yeah, man, them talk, man. Man, them talk one night.
Alright, that good, that good.
Alright, welcome to another JA Reality TV. Yes, my people, no like I want to post what here, but here, this is one going to be a bang. Because over here, it's on Booby Key Island where I get to find out this is where people come and have SEX, so you're going to see it live. Yes, my people, so you know, right now, I'm going to set the camera because people is on the island now. Stay tuned, don't move.
Yeah, man.
Brother,
You know, so we have to try to come by that island kind of.
All that can't go on too.
When I did
But,
them, I
but
try
me I
by
try remember when me did put them. Come, you have to follow me. Come, I think I wrote it.
No, no matter what left me, my brother, man.
Yeah,
Sit
me all
down
Larry,
there.
go and look for him, all Larry.
Yeah, man. Me a whole a place, yes. Just relax. Yeah?
Why the place looks like you want to improve a little bit, man. Just can't lift up.
Hello? I miss you again. Yeah, man, me good. Oh, yeah. Alright. No, I never give you it. But in our bathroom, you're gonna do that right now. Yeah, man, alright. Yeah.
What is for?
Never mind that.
Mm.
Yeah, man, at least I'm forget this, but she said me never did forget it until she called.
Yeah?
She just called me, so.
And I'm going to
Like
get
that.
this.
When did she do that leave?
When she get this one?
I don't know.
What this for? On to you. You can't smile, sir.
Nothing?
Love you too. What's she sorry for?
I'm not speaking to you, both my sons, in person. Wappy and Phillop. I love you both. Wappy, you know that you're my favorite. Please
Favorite to mommy.
don't give any more trouble. And Phillop continue to be doing the...
How did you get this? This is nice.
But we're so sorry that he's not here, so I have to do this alone. But I'm so sorry I couldn't tell you in person. Your real parents, they rather...
My real parents? What?
back, and your mom was killed. So they had to give you over to us, both of you, and they gave us the money to take care of you and to build a business so we could all benefit from. So here we are at this point. You guys are now knowing that we are not your real parents. No, your mom was killed in that mishap, and I don't know if your father is still alive. We haven't heard anything from him since he gave you both to us. So we don't know if he's still alive. So we're so sorry, but we're not your real parents, and we're going on vacation, and we won't be coming back. We hope to meet again.
Babes, how are? How would that?
Good evening, Miss. Detective Williams here. Wappy is here. I see him on a video footage of commit a crime, serious crime.
Good night. My name is Jonathan Grant reporting for Jamiewood News. In tonight's news, the government has given the green light for face-to-face school. And in other news, a gruesome murder has been committed and it's all over social media by Wappy. Police is yet to find the body of his brother Phillop. An investigation has been launched and you will be updated as soon as we get more information from the police. Alright, so to big up on yourself, and as always, thank you guys for watching. You don't know, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so right now, because subscription is important. And if you're not sure of the content yet, make sure you do so right now. A long time you don't see me on fire in our video at the end of it, so you don't know, big up on yourself. And I want brand new year this, so you know what to do. Show up the content, tell a friend, and just do the right thing, alright?
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Fear the vice, you know where you go. Alright, so big up all of the, big up the sponsor, Cool Breeze. You know what I mean? Give them a support pan for them channel. Them start the channel to Cool Breeze, so give them a link pan the said speed. Run down to the ground.
Yeah, you put the link in the description for the channel, for Cool Breeze channel, so you can find it. You see it?
Yeah man, so it's an overseas person, you know what I mean? Them have a little story and we get it up and running for them, you know what I mean? So sorry, them sponsor, produce this a movie, yeah. So at them produce it, you see their name pan and bag of things. So yeah, keep the link, you know what I mean? Continue support the channel
and like, share, and all the things we have to do. Subscription, we need to go 500,000.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what I mean? So we're going at the giant box and I look why problem we can move faster. Realize people who watch them don't know to them for subscribe.
Yeah.
They know
Because
the importance
the
of
views
subscription.
always more than the subscription. So I subscription I promise. So remember to subscribe.
It's very important to subscribe. You know what I mean? It's what keep the thing relevant and it give a push forward. You know what I mean? You want to see thing grow, subscribe. You know what I mean? Because I just say get the growth from. You know what I mean? We have some different plans coming up, so stay tuned. Look out for the live them. Burn it down to the ground.
Oh, so rest enough people don't know if you subscribe. Alright, it's a red icon and it marks subscribe. So just click on it and there's a little bell right there. So click on it so you can notify when we upload content. So easy man. Easy 1, 2, 3. And if you don't know if you subscribe, you ask somebody how to subscribe. So I'm gonna go and do the right thing.
You subscribe already, right? You subscribe.